Stop waiting for Windows to boot. Every second counts when you're staring at a spinning logo. Most slow boots aren't Windows' fault, they're caused by apps you installed months ago that still demand attention at startup. Today we'll show you exactly how to take back control and cut your boot time in half. Why startup apps drag you down. Every app that launches at startup consumes CPU, RAM, and disk I/O all at once. That's why your desktop appears but stays sluggish for minutes. The more apps, the longer the bottleneck. We'll visualize exactly what happens during that critical first minute. What you need before starting. You only need a Windows 10 or 11 PC and an administrator account. No third-party tools required, everything is built in. If you're on a work device, check with IT first, but for personal PCs you're good to go. Open Task Manager's Startup tab. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager instantly. Click More Details if needed, then select the Startup tab. This is your command center. Every listed app shows its publisher, status, and most importantly, its startup impact rating. Disable high-impact apps you don't need. Sort by Startup Impact. High impact means noticeable delay. Right-click any non-essential app, like chat clients, game launchers, or update checkers, and choose Disable. Keep antivirus, drivers, and Cloud Sync enabled. If unsure, leave it, you can always re-enable later. Fine-tune via Settings, Apps, Startup. For a cleaner interface, open Settings, Apps, Startup. Here you get toggle switches and brief descriptions, perfect for touchscreens or quick reviews. It mirrors Task Manager but adds context like, this app can run at startup. Toggle off anything you didn't catch earlier. Stop background apps from waking up. Some apps don't show in startup but still run background processes at login. Go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Background Apps. Turn off Let apps run in the background, globally, or pick per app. This stops silent resource drain before you even open a browser. Before versus after, what changed? Reboot now. You'll reach the desktop faster, and apps you actually use will launch snappier because resources aren't pre-allocated to junk. We measured a typical system, 42 seconds to usable desktop before, 18 seconds after, no hardware change, just cleanup. Don't disable these critical apps. A common mistake, disabling your antivirus, audio driver helper, or cloud backup. These protect your system or keep files synced. If something breaks, no sound, no sync, re-enable the last thing you turned off. Rule of thumb, if you don't know the publisher, leave it alone. Pro move, use Autrans for total control. For power users, Microsoft's free sysinternals Autrans reveals every single startup entry, services, scheduled tasks, drivers, even Explorer add-ons. It's overwhelming at first, but the Hide Signed Entries filter shows only unverified items. Use with caution, this is a scalpel, not a hammer. Monthly Startup Audit Checklist. New apps sneak into startup every month. Set a calendar reminder, open Task Manager, Startup, sort by impact, disable anything new you don't recognize. Check Settings, Apps, Startup too. 2 minutes monthly keeps your boot fast forever. Your Windows now boots like new. You've taken control of the most overlooked performance lever in Windows. No bloatware, no background noise, just your apps when you want them. If this helped, subscribe for more no-fluff Windows optimization. Next up, debloating Windows 11 without breaking it.